Seventh chapter, trigonometric equations. This chapter belongs to mathematics 1A part 1. Today discuss definition and introduction and formulas of the trigonometric equations. Last chapter completed trigonometry ratios up to transformation. That chapter formulas compulsory read and write perfectly. You get easily understood in the chapter problems, otherwise difficult. In this trigonometry equation, what is the definition? Trigonometry equation nothing but the equation formed with the trigonometric functions, that is called a trigonometry equation. What is the trigonometry equation? Is defined as an equation consisting of the trigonometry functions of angle variable. Theta belongs to here capital R, real number. Here the function a variable angle, nothing but a sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, secant x, cosecant x. These are the variable angles of trigonometry functions. That functions you can use a symbol equal to. Suppose sin x is equal to some 1. This is one trigonometry equation. Cos x is equal to 1 by 2. This is also the trigonometry equation. Tan x is equal to secant square x. This is also the one type of trigonometry equation. These are the examples of the trigonometry equation. This is the definition of the trigonometry equation. After that, in this trigonometry equation, having general solutions. General solution. What is the general solution? First, trigonometry equations. These are the trigonometry equation. These are the general solution. Suppose if sin theta equal to 0 form is there. If any function sin theta equal to 0. If any trigonometry equation in the form of sin theta equal to 0, that form general solution is theta equal to n pi. Theta equal to n pi. Here n belongs to z. Z is integer. You have to write any integer value. This theta equal to n pi value then satisfies sin theta equal to 0. If sin theta equal to 0, that general solution is theta equal to n pi. Here n always integer. Next, cos theta equal to 0. Next form is cos theta equal to 0. In this form, general solution is theta equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Theta equal to what here? 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Here n belongs to once again integer. This is the second form. Third form, tan theta equal to 0. Third form is what? Tan theta equal to 0. If tan theta equal to 0, trigonometry equation in the form theta is equal to n pi. Theta equal to what here? Theta equal to n pi or n belongs to here once again integer. These three are in form of 0. Sin theta equal to 0. Cos theta equal to 0 and tan theta equal to 0. General solutions completed. Next, sin square x is equal to sin square alpha. Which form? Sin square x is equal to sin square alpha. Here that equal to some constant k. Sin square x is equal to sin square alpha equal to value sum k. Then here k value lies between 0 to 1. That's why this function can be applicable, otherwise impossible. In this form, trigonometry equation, general solution is n pi plus or minus alpha. What is that general solution? N pi plus or minus alpha. Here once again L belongs to integer. Next one is cos square x is equal to cos square alpha. That equal to k. Cos square x is equal to cos square alpha. That is equal to k. Here also we k belongs to 0 to 1. That value of k is like between 0 to 1. This function applicable, otherwise not applicable. That is impossible. In this form, general solution, once again formula is similar, n pi plus or minus alpha. Here once again n value is a integer. Next, tan square x is equal to tan square alpha. Tan square x is equal to tan square alpha equal to some k. Here k value lies between 0 to infinity. In this form, trigonometry equation also be general solution equal to theta equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. If sin square theta equal to sin square alpha, cos square theta equal to cos square alpha, tan square theta equal to tan square alpha, cot, cosecant, secant, any squares, that general solution always, all general solutions are equal. But here intervals are very important. You can do that problem. These are the general solutions. These are the general solutions. These are the trigonometric equations. In this trigonometric equation, these are the general solution formulas. You can read and write these formulas perfectly. You get easily understood problems. Next, some more formulas is there in trigonometry equations, general solution formulas. In the trigonometric equation, in the form of in this way, these are the general solutions. These are the range and domains of that functions. First of all, what is that function? If sin x is equal to k, sin x is equal to k is the trigonometric equation form. In this form, general solution is n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. N pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. Here n belongs to integer. N is on integer. The range of this sin x is equal to k. The range of this sin x is equal to k trigonometric equation is minus 1 comma 1 is the range. Domain is minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 is the domain. This is the sin x is equal to k information. Next, cos x is equal to k. In this cos x is equal to k general solution is 2n pi plus or minus alpha. What is that general solution? 2n pi plus or minus alpha. In the general solution, cos x is equal to k. Range is once again minus 1 comma 1. Domain is 0 comma pi. Domain is what? 0 comma pi domain. Range is minus 1 comma 1. That is cos x is equal to k. General solution. After that, tan x is equal to k. Next part is what? Tan x is equal to k. In this tan x is equal to k, general solution is n pi plus alpha. What is that general solution? N pi plus alpha. Here n belongs to, once again, n is on integer. The range of tan x is equal to k general solution. The range of tan x is equal to k. Trigonometry equation is capital R and range is capital R. Domain is once again open bracket minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 open bracket. Here sin x is equal to k, closed bracket pi by 2 minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. This tan x is equal to k. Domain is open bracket minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. This next one is cot x is equal to k. Cot x is equal to k. In this cot x is equal to k, general solution is same of the tan x is equal to k, n pi plus alpha. The range of this cot x is equal to k also be equal. That is range is capital R, nothing but real number. Domain is what? Here domain is open interval of 0 comma pi. What is the domain? Domain is open interval of 0 comma pi. Closed interval of 0 comma pi. Domain is the cos x is equal to k trigonometric equation. After that, you goes to next one. Secant x is equal to k. Secant x is equal to k trigonometric equation. General solution is equal to cos x is equal to k. What is the general solution of cos x is equal to k? 2n pi plus or minus alpha. That's why you can write secant x is equal to k. General solution also be 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Here n is on integer. The range of secant x is equal to k is minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. This is the range of secant x is equal to k. What is the domain? Domain is minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Here interval is 0, neglected 0. Here in this interval 0 comma pi, this secant x is equal to k. Domain is 0 comma pi interval. You have to eliminate pi by 2. In this interval 0 comma pi, you removed pi by 2 interval, you get that is the domain of the secant x is equal to k. After that, you goes to cosecant x is equal to k. Cosecant x is equal to k trigonometry equation general solution is same as sin x is equal to k general solution. What is that sin x is equal to k general solution? Sin x is equal to k general solution is theta equal to -1 whole power n into n pi plus -1 whole power n into alpha. That's why you can write simpler here. Cosecant x is equal to k, range is equal to secant x is equal to k range, that is -infinity to -1 union 1 to infinity. Domain of this cosecant x is equal to k. Cosecant x is equal to k. Domain is -pi by 2 comma pi by 2 interval. This interval you have to remove 0. -pi by 2 pi by 2 interval you have to remove to 0. That is the domain of the cosecant x is equal to k trigonometry equation. See students, observe the students, these general solutions are very important. These are not important, but these are intervals. This range and domain you can satisfy that trigonometry equation having general solution, otherwise no general solution. That's why these are the you read and write. This is the especially perfectly read and write these general solution. In the general solution, sin x is equal to k trigonometry equation general solution is equal to cosecant x is equal to k. Similarly, cos x is equal to k general solution equal to secant x is equal to k. Tan x is equal to k general solution equal to cot x is equal to k. Sin x is equal to k general solution is n pi plus -1 whole power n into alpha. Cos x is equal to k general solution is 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Tan x is equal to k general solution is n pi plus 3 general solution you can read and write. Remaining 3 also be reciprocal. Sin reciprocal cosecant, cos reciprocal secant, tan reciprocal cot. This way you can identify, you can by headed these formulas, read and write perfectly. What is the alpha here? Here what is the meaning of alpha? Alpha is your principal angle. Principal angle. What is the meaning of principal angle or principal solution? What is the meaning of principal solution? If any function you can substitute which angle that function satisfied. Suppose sin x is equal to 1 is there. If sin x is equal to sin 90 is how much? Sin 91. That's why x value 90. This 90 here called, in this 90 degrees pi by 2 radians is called here principal angle. Which angle? Principal angle. Each general solution, first you can find a principal angle. After that we can write the general solution formula. After that we can substitute that value, general solution, principal angle formula. Before goes to problem, that problem first you can convert it to trigonometry equation form. Either these all forms, any one form. After that you can write general solution. After that you can find the principal angle. That principal angle substituted general solution, you get the answer. This chapter completely only 1 4 marks question come to the IP examination. These formulas read and write perfectly, you get easily understood in this chapter. Okay.